All right, everyone. April and I had some technical difficulties with our install. By no means are we professionals. And we are not sponsored by Soleus Air All Season Micro. We were looking for an affordable solution to heat our 14 by 40 rear room. Heating and air conditioning guy was 5Gs. I was like, yeah, not right now. This was $600 on sale at Amazon. 12,000 BTU unit, Soleus Air All Season Micro Split air conditioner with heat. I'm not going to bore you with opening the box and the contents. We have it installed, and let me just give you the skinny. You're going to need 2 people for this job. Definitely don't do this by yourself. Pre-plan a window that you're going to stick it in. Where's the short screw? The bottom of the unit for outside comes with 2 screws. One is short, one is long. I'm going to tell you to remove this before you go at your install. For my home installation, I needed to take this one out and put the longer one in before you're teetering this and hanging on it and trying to get it to go. So we anchored 2x4s to the house. Not thrilled about putting screws through my vinyl. It is what it is. Get these adjusted, get your level on it, make sure that the water can run off. Comes with a little level. I also added a back support piece to my install here to support the weight of this unit. This is in storm windows. We don't really have real windows out here. I mean, we have a couple of real windows, but not many real windows. It's kind of awkward from the outside. I'm not thrilled about it. It's the backyard. I mean, the neighbors may think it's a little trailer parky, but it is what it is. So that's what it looks like, and it's sticking off about 18 to 20 inches off of the house, which is okay. I mean, you could cheat it on the inside if you wanted to, if you want to impress your neighbors. I'm not trying to impress my neighbors. That's my solar shed project, and then some flippy solar. April helped me out here. I wouldn't be able to do it without her. Her holiday tree or seasonal tree or whatever tree. So make sure that you take this out. Don't cut the straps once you open the top. The straps will help you remove the unit from the box. So learn from our mistakes. Look. So open from the top, and you're going to open the container, then you're going to see straps. Don't cut the straps. Use them to pull the unit out of the box. Remove this screw, this adjustment screw.
Look. It was supposed to go underneath. Remember how we kept scraping it?
For the wall?
Look, that black thing.
I mean, you could. I'm not worried about that part. I mean, if you're worried about scraping up your house,
No, the windows in here.
Oh, they want you to put another piece in there?
It was this shit.
Well, you could still slip it in there. I use a piece of it for the top insulating. So cut your foam blocks to fit your desired window opening. Yeah. Here, hold that. You can flip it. Why am I on Zoom? Then April was saying, oh, look, if we would have read the instructions, this should go in here for support.
It's supposed to, yeah, look, see the windowsill in the diagram?
I don't think that says it's required.
It doesn't say.
What?
It says,
let's just see.
Remove adhesive. It is that one.
Well,
remove adhesive from mounting block.
Yeah,
it's not the tile, babe. It's
here?
Here. It's to hold this so it doesn't scrape.
No, that's not what this is for. They want that between here. That's what they want.
Remove adhesive from mounting block and place mounting block on window frame. I told you.
Well, we don't really have a window frame per se.
Press down firmly on the mounting block to secure in place.
In the window frame in here?
Yeah.
See, ours isn't really like that. We don't have a window frame because we have storm windows.
No, I was just...
So to each their own install, depending on your window opening. You could put this under here for added insulation and protection. I don't really think we need it. It would work. It would change our adjustment. I mean, I could probably shove it in.
Nah, just leave it. I think we should just leave it because you have all that wood in the back.
I'm only going to change it anyway. I think it's fine, to be honest with you.
I do too.
I'm not really worried about that. For me, it looks good where it's at. So if this thing's going to fall out, it's going to fall out.
I don't think it's going to fall out.
That's that. So this is, we have the black piece on the top to help insulate this piece. We use the white foam in the here on both sides, right? That's good. It's not 100% sealed, but it will work. If I need this in the future, it's a simple, hey, let's just slip it in.
I agree.
But I don't think we're going to need it. It fits pretty well. Let me see what it'll from the outside. Turn it on. I mean, plug it in. Yeah, I mean, you could have a little bit more insulation on the outside.
Oh, I had to. Oh, you have that knife thing?
You're behind you. Don't cut your finger off.
Here, I'll cut my finger off.
Oh, so it does come with a little extra foamage. So you could foamage the outside a little bit if you need it. I don't really think...
Yeah, I don't want to do this.
I don't really think we're going to need it. April's no luck with... No help with the camera. So all the foam is for different window openings. She's going to plug it in. Tuck the cord behind so it's not so ugly. And I do believe the video I watched, it was all staged. So that guy definitely staged his install.
Are we supposed to do it? No.
Well, you could take the plastic off of it.
Nah.
But what I like about this unit so much is that now you have your whole window. So the whole unit's not sitting in the window.
Okay, scooch.
Scooch. I don't like the way that it hangs out the back all the way, but it is what it is. That's pretty quiet.
Oh, you can't. Oh, you can't. Like, it's going to go forward. That's why I suggested that.
No kidding. What did you think it was going to do?
I thought we could be able to do like we do upstairs.
You put a fan over here, or you turn the ceiling fan on.
I thought we could, like...
No.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Nothing. Just, it's installed. I mean, if we need to make it any better, we can. I don't think we're going to need this part of it. Everything looks pretty decent. Because we have screen, and then window. And then if I have a problem with it being too drafty under there, I mean, I could actually just put some stuff right here and there, and it would. And then we also bought this from Walmart, and obviously we didn't open it. We trash picked this stuff, but I think it'll work out.
Why does it have to be on Wi-Fi? What do you need Wi-Fi for?
I guess if you're not home, that you can have control of your climate control. Overall, I'm okay with it. I'm not thrilled with it, but it's not the manufacturer's fault. It's what I prefer to see outside the house, but I think this is perfectly fine for seeing what you see inside the house. Yay!
I want to see if the heat works. I don't feel no heat. I don't feel no heat. What do I do?
I'll learn how to use it first and then figure it out.
I put it on heat.
Well, it takes a few minutes for it to start doing it. The compressor is just turned on. Oh, it's a little vibrating. Yeah, that's heat.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, now I see.
So it is a little noisy.
Why is it shaking so bad?
Once the pump probably warms up. It's not horrible. I mean, I think it's a good compromise, unless you want to spend thousands of dollars.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thanks for hanging there. So like I said, don't cut the straps when you open the box. Use the straps to lift it out. Depending on your window opening.
Oh, there it goes.
Window opening and your setup, they advise using this piece under here. I have tile here. We have it against our wood frames. I wasn't really worried about nicking this up. Cut your foam in, plug it in, came right on. It's making heat within 30 seconds. The pump's a little noisy on startup, and then the fan outside is noisy, but you're not going to be outside, and then it hangs off my property quite a bit, but we're gonna test run it and see how it is. Thanks for watching.